We're at Paris Road, right by Paradise Casino. It wasn't raining when we left our neighborhood, and it wasn't raining when we got these hot dogs that we've eaten, but now it is a little bit. We're gonna give it a try anyway. It's just getting worse and worse. Here, I brought you an umbrella, Larry. Yeah, you're right. I don't even know if it works. I found it in the garbage. So this is how we deal with it. We have some umbrellas handy and boots in case we want to keep our feet dry. And we have here, I have a rain suit. Larry doesn't have a rain suit, so he's going to use the rinky-dinky umbrella. We're just going to sit here, see if we can catch a black drum or something until we're just too wet to be here. Nothing wrong with it, huh? Nothing wrong with that umbrella, huh? You paint it yellow and get yourself a yellow raincoat. You look like Martin Saltgirl's brother. Larry doesn't like it, and to be honest, I don't like it. It's just getting worse. I worked all day, and high tide is here soon at around 6:48. Look at that pelican right out there. And this is southeast Louisiana. It rains a lot, but it's going to be raining all week, and today only has like 50% chance or so. Here he goes. So on days like this, when we just want to fish, what we do is we come out and we put up with it as much as we can, and then we go sit in the truck and wait for it to get better. So let's give it a try here. Larry's going to sit there and stay dry. I brought a handful of shrimp out, and I'm doing a Carolina rig. I'm just going to throw out and hold on. I think this is too much for me. I think I want to go back to the truck. Wait for it to slacken up. Oh, I said the magic words and it slackened up. Too much for me, even as hardcore as I am sometimes. I did get a couple of bites, but we're going to wait it out. Well, the rain is pretty much stopped. We got a little bit of a window of no rain coming up. We got here a little early, got caught in. So this is a part of Bayou Bienvenue. Bayou Bienvenue, the outfall canal and all that's back over there. This is a little bottleneck where the water moves in. Water's already moving pretty good with the tide. Look at that! Look at that little drum! That's what we came here for. I don't think he's quite 16 inches. That's Larry's first fish. We had quite a few bites. It's really towing. Tide's coming in. Camera's foggy. I think that's under 16. We got a tape measure. We can measure our fish. Alright, that one's at a foot. 12 inches. Too small. Beautiful though. Lovely. You gonna let it go now? Yeah, you're right. Larry's looking for a stick. It's still kind of raining a little bit. He's had his first hardcore snag. He's gonna wrap a stick around the line and have to snap it. He can't. Ooh, there's a bite. Here, hold the camera. Some worse. The fish just got me wrapped around some shit. We'll get back to you if this gets better. We might be both snagged now. Ain't no sticks around here. So he's coming with the gaff. I'm gonna wrap it around the line. We're using an 80-pound test braid. I would let mine sit and see if that fish would get me unsnagged, but it's pretty hard snagged. Or we're gonna snap some lines and then retie. Ah. You don't want it. Hey, like it's a little dog. Give me a little doggy with wings. Snap that shit yet? He's still out there. Ain't nothing going on with mine. Little birdie! Little birdie! Come back, little birdie! What'd you get back? Wow, man. You got all your stuff back. Awesome. Let's hope I am as lucky. Alright, I'm gonna snap my shit. This dude walking across the bridge in this shitty weather. Well, it's not real bad. I snapped my 50 pound mono. That's what I was, my rig was tied with. And there's my main line, so I got back a barrel swivel. Looky here, what did you get? Oh, that's a nice fat channel cat. It's pretty good. Whoa! What's that? Something big. Wasn't a bird. Wasn't Superman. Nice. I'm gonna get my shit tied up and come back out here with you. Beautiful. You gonna put that in the ice chest? Yeah, you're right. Give it a try. Larry was kind of freaking out about the little parasites on the underside of his mouth there. See it wiggling around. It's okay. You can find those a lot on outside of them. Just a few here and there. Let's go to your new home, Mr. Catfish. I gotta stop talking like this. Bring it up. This one's on my pole. I was rolling a cigarette and I said, here, catch this. Just a little catfish. Got something nice on it. Oh, it's a little bigger than the last cat. Too small for me. Woo! Got something on there. Are you snagged? It is kind of snaggy over here, but it's a little fun. Maybe a fish wrapped you up. You do have a fish. Yeah, he wrapped him around. Where is he? Do I need to go get the gaff or the net, you think? Ooh, he's coming right up. Ooh. Ooh, he's another little black drum. We thought they had gone. Finally, another black drum. He's still under 16, I think.
About the same size.
Yeah, it's the first one. That might be the first one. May have caught him twice. So he's undersized, but he's pretty. That's your second black drum, isn't it? Yep. That's your second one ever, isn't it? This is Larry's first time catching black drum. Little tiny ones, but still got some shrimp. It's turning out to be another beautiful afternoon. It's not too cold, it's like 66. So another fisherman has joined us. Ooh, did you get a bite? Bites are coming a little slow. Oh, there I got a bite too. Still a lot of fun. Larry's going, ah. He had a fish on. Oh, maybe he still got the fish. You need to let him work his way out. Biting flies coming out. That fish probably still there. Is he coming? Looks like he's coming. Is he still there? Oh, he's still there, huh? Get that bend. Look at that fish.
I've never seen anything like it.
You see it? Let's turn on the light here and get a close up. Man, what is that, Larry?
Wow,
He caught a spark plug on that. There's a bit of rope and some vegetables, line. You save that plug, it might be good. It's getting late and the Coast Guard came in. Larry's younger than me, he can hear better. I heard them say, "Can you pull out your license?" I said, "Sure." I figured out that they meant lines. It made me feel old. So we're almost done, but the tide has stopped coming in and now it's going to start going out. I know you can't see shit, but it's calm. So there goes the Coast Guard. They went out to the RCW to help out this guy. The sea-doo must have broke down or something. We're about to go. I'm fishing by the truck with this other fisherman, with Dale. Little Dale right there. Well, that was fun after a hard day of work, so I'm really tired now. Going home. See you next time.